If you're considering AT&T's eSIM for your next international trip, there are a few things you should know before you make the switch. Compared to other providers like T-Mobile or Verizon, AT&T's eSIM option offers unique features and some limitations. Let's dive in and break down the key points to help you decide if it's the right fit for your travel needs. The first thing to know is that AT&T's eSIM is available to both new and existing customers. So, whether you're a current AT&T user or switching from another provider, you can take advantage of their eSIM. It's worth mentioning, however, that it's not as universally supported as physical SIM cards, so compatibility should be checked with your phone before making the switch. Next thing, AT&T offers international coverage with its eSIM. This is a huge plus for travelers, as it allows you to use your phone in multiple countries without having to switch out your SIM card every time you land in a new destination. However, while it covers over 200 destinations, roaming fees can still add up, and the data speeds may not always be optimal. The third thing to note is that activation of the AT&T eSIM is relatively simple, but not instant. You'll need to request the eSIM either online or at an AT&T store, and activation typically takes up to 24 hours. If you're in a rush, that's something to plan ahead for. The fourth thing is the potential limitation on data plans. AT&T doesn't offer as many flexible international data options as some of its competitors, such as T-Mobile's international data plans. While you can purchase add-ons for data, they might not be as competitive in price or as tailored to heavy data users. Next, it's important to know that eSIM activation requires a phone that's compatible with the technology. If you have an older phone or one that doesn't support eSIM, you'll need to consider getting a compatible model. Unlike physical SIMs, eSIMs cannot be swapped out between devices without going through the activation process again, which could be a hassle for travelers switching between devices. Another thing to consider is customer support. AT&T has a reputation for good customer service, but eSIM-related support can sometimes be more complicated than traditional SIM support. Be prepared for potentially longer wait times or a bit more troubleshooting if you're dealing with any issues. The seventh thing is about pricing. AT&T's eSIM itself doesn't cost extra. However, international roaming and data plans can get pricey. Unlike some competitors that offer unlimited data abroad at a fixed rate, AT&T typically charges by the gigabyte, which might add up quickly if you're using a lot of data. The eighth thing is about dual SIM capabilities. If you're traveling internationally and need to keep your US number active while using a local number, AT&T's eSIM lets you use dual SIM functionality. This means you can stay connected to both your local number and your home country's network. The ninth thing to keep in mind is coverage reliability. While AT&T offers good coverage in the US, their international network might not be as reliable or as fast in certain regions compared to competitors like T-Mobile, who has more extensive partnerships for international service. Next, let's talk about data speeds. While AT&T does provide data access in many countries, the speeds can vary greatly depending on your location. If you're traveling to more remote areas, you might find the coverage a bit spotty, especially when compared to the more globally optimized services offered by other carriers. The 11th thing you should know is that you can manage your eSIM directly from AT&T's app, which is convenient for checking your usage, adding data, or switching between plans. However, this app might not always be as user-friendly or responsive as some other mobile carrier apps on the market. Finally, when considering AT&T for your international travel, it's good to weigh the options available with competitors. T-Mobile, for example, is known for offering much better international plans, including free data in many countries. Verizon has competitive pricing, but is more limited when it comes to flexibility abroad. AT&T offers a solid option, but lacks some of the flexibility and pricing advantages found with other carriers. In conclusion, AT&T's eSIM is a solid choice for international travelers, offering good coverage and convenience for US customers, though it might not be the most affordable or flexible option available. If you're looking for a better deal with no commitment, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see if it fits your travel needs better.